Hello everyone. I've been getting these questions quite often, so I felt I should make a video on how to do this so that it will be helpful to you all. Well, the first question is how do I avoid wind noise while filming a video outside a train or in a windy location? Also, another question is why do I cover this cloth in front of my camera? Well, I'll be giving answer to both the questions, but before that, for people who are not understanding what it is, have a look at this video. Well, these are the things needed to achieve this: a old piece of cloth and your camera. Well, first of all, you need to identify where is your microphone in the camera. Well, for my camera, it is right over here, right below the flash, which makes it easy actually, because of which I need not put up any additional things. I can just cover this place and it works. Well, whatever I do, well, this is the thing. I just use my old kerchief, to be honest. I just fold it around, then I make sure I cover the mic part clearly, and I just tie it around. That's it. This is a simple trick which I use. This may not be sufficient if you are capturing videos at speeds above 100 or at a very windy locations wherein it is really difficult to avoid the wind noise. In that case, maybe you can put a cotton below the microphone and then cover it with a cloth, or do it like what I'm doing. I am going to use two cloths, which makes it much better. Well, of course, take your time and tie it. I'm doing it in a hurry for this video. So this is it. And people who are not yet confident of it, maybe you can use a rubber band on the top of these cloths. And that's it. Your camera is ready with a low budget wind filter. Well, let me tell you a few of the things which will work out. I mean, as you saw in this video, up to 90 kilometers, there was very minute wind sounds which you could hear, and the track sounds were pretty clear. So once it goes above 100, it is a bit difficult, wherein the wind hits the camera at very high speed, so you do get the wind sounds. And also at very high location, wherein you climb in the hills, mountains kind of things, wherein it is difficult to avoid the wind noise. But this will help to some extent. Of course, if you are ready to buy high-end mics wherein they have very good filters, you can go for it. If not, this is the thing which I would suggest. In fact, I've been using this right from 2011. I actually learnt it from Dheeraj Rao. Channel link some on the I. Click on the I for the channel link of Dheeraj. He has some amazing videos as well. So that's it. I guess this should help you all out. If you still have doubts regarding this, you can ask me about this in the comments. And I'm planning to do some of the how-to videos like this one, so that it helps other rail fans and other people in general. So do comment what you want to know next on how I do rail fanning, or something related to these kind of things wherein you need some help, because I'm pretty sure there are many out there who are still confused on how to go about. So the comment with the maximum thumbs up will be the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you soon.